Here's how to fix a frozen water line. First, check if you hear humming when you press the paddle. That means the dispenser is working and you likely have a clogged or frozen line. If it's not humming, your issue is likely mechanical. Next, check to make sure ice is still being produced. That shows water is still making it to the ice maker and your line is likely frozen within the door panel. Turn off the fridge. Open the door with the water dispenser. I put a blanket up to keep cool air in the fridge while the door thaws. Yes, you need to turn off the fridge because the door has a cooling unit that's causing the frozen line. Depending on the temperature of your house, after an hour to 3 hours, the line should be thawed. To prevent this from happening again, try increasing the temperature of your freezer and fridge.